In the fast-paced world of technology, artificial intelligence (AI) has become a driving force, quite literally, in the automobile industry. From enhancing safety features to revolutionizing the driving experience, AI is transforming the way we interact with our vehicles. Let's take a closer look at how AI is making waves in the automotive sector. 1. Autonomous driving, the road ahead. One of the most significant advancements in the automobile industry is the development of autonomous vehicles. AI plays a pivotal role in enabling self-driving cars to navigate through complex environments, interpret traffic signals, and make split-second decisions to ensure a safe journey. Machine learning algorithms allow these vehicles to continuously learn from real-world scenarios, improving their decision-making capabilities over time. 2. Enhanced safety features. AI is enhancing safety standards by providing intelligent features that help prevent accidents. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, powered by AI, include features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, and adaptive cruise control. These systems leverage sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to analyze the vehicle's surroundings and react in real time, reducing the risk of collisions. 3. Predictive maintenance for peak performance. AI is changing the game when it comes to vehicle maintenance. Instead of waiting for a breakdown to occur, AI algorithms analyze data from sensors and various vehicle components to predict when maintenance is needed. This proactive approach not only improves the longevity of the vehicle, but also minimizes the chances of unexpected breakdowns, saving both time and money for car owners. 4. Personalized driving experience. Thanks to AI, the driving experience is becoming increasingly personalized. Smart AI systems learn from the driver's habits, preferences, and even biometric data to customize settings such as seat position, temperature, and entertainment options. This not only adds a touch of luxury to the driving experience, but also contributes to a safer and more comfortable journey. 5. Traffic management and optimization. AI is not limited to individual vehicles. It's also influencing the broader landscape of traffic management. Smart traffic lights, for example, can adjust timings based on real-time traffic conditions, optimizing the flow of vehicles and reducing congestion. This not only saves time for commuters, but also contributes to a more eco-friendly transportation system by minimizing fuel consumption. 6. Electric vehicle efficiency. The rise of electric vehicles, EVs, is another area where AI is making significant strides. AI algorithms help optimize battery performance, manage energy consumption, and plan efficient routes for electric vehicles. This results in extended battery life, reduced charging times, and a more seamless transition to an electric future. Conclusion: a drive into the future. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on the automobile industry is undeniable. From autonomous driving to personalized experiences and improved safety features, AI is driving the automotive sector towards a safer, more efficient, and sustainable future. As we embrace these technological advancements, we can look forward to a time when the phrase "smart car" takes on a whole new meaning, making our journeys not just convenient, but truly intelligent. Buckle up, the future of driving is here.